Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting 10-15 mini lollipops and arranging them into small clusters. This speeds assembly and ensures even shape. Once done, align 3-4 sticks so candy faces match height, hold them together at the base. Then wrap a short length of floral tape tightly around the sticks to lock the bundle. Tape stretches and sticks better when warmed by your fingers. Make sure to leave 1-2 inches of exposed stick below the tape for inserting into picks or foam. Now you convert bundles into stems by placing a floral pick against the taped section and wrapping again with floral tape. This reinforces support so the candy won't droop. Once stems are made, trim them to uniform length so the bouquet silhouette is even. Arrange temporarily in the foam to check spacing. If some areas look sparse, add a single lollipop or slip in a small faux leaf. Make sure to rotate the bouquet while checking from all sides for balanced density. To finish, insert stems into the foam base, angling outward so the arrangement reads as a rounded bouquet. Press each stem fully so it's stable. Once arranged, wrap the exposed foam with ribbon or decorative paper and secure with a knot or small glue dab to hide mechanics. If a stem feels loose, reinforce the connection with another wrap of floral tape or a tiny drop of hot glue. This prevents wobble while keeping candy presentable. Finally, inspect for gaps and adjust until symmetrical.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.